My name is Zach Keller, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the recurring event form that Daria Fradkin and I created. So hopefully this form is emailed to you, and when you open it up, you'll see the first question is, what is your calendar ID? This means you need to set up your calendar, and to do that, you're going to open a new tab and go to calendar.google.com. When you get there, you have two options. If you're a Pingry teacher and want other teachers and administrators to be able to see your event and when you're busy, you should use the default calendar at the top of your sidebar. If you want the event to be in a private calendar, you can create a new one under Create New Calendar. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to start with creating a new calendar. So if you're a Pingry teacher that wants it to be public, just hold on a second. So I'm going to create a new calendar, and I'll call it whatever I want. I'll do Zach's Events. And then I have to go down here and I have to share it with the email address scripts@pingry.org. And under permission settings, I'm going to make it make changes and manage sharing. I'm going to add person and create calendar. And it might take a little bit of time to do this. Hopefully it only takes a couple of seconds, but soon you'll see that the calendar will appear at the bottom of your calendar sidebar. So here it goes. And to get my calendar ID, I'm going to go to the drop down, and under calendar settings, you'll see the calendar ID is listed just about halfway on the page. So I'm going to select it, copy it, and paste it in the first blank of my form. So that's how you do it if you want your event to be in its own private calendar. Now, if you want it to be in the public calendar, go to default calendar, and under the drop down, go to calendar settings. There's a tab at the top that says share this calendar. And then under the share box, you have to write scripts@pingry.org. And under permission settings, mark make changes and manage sharing. Then you're going to add person, save, and your calendar ID for the default calendar is actually just your email address, which you can see if you go into calendar settings. It's just your email address. So in the form, you should write your email address on the top blank of the form. I'm going to leave my old calendar ID from the new calendar because I want to create my event in my own personal calendar. So then I'm going to name my event. Maybe I call it Meeting with Department. And there are a couple of options. If you're in the Basking Ridge campus, obviously you're going to select the top one. If you're in the lower school campus, you'll select letter day for the Short Hills campus. And if you want to make it a day of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, as opposed to a day or I day, then I'm select day of the week. So I'll do a letter day for the Basking Ridge campus. So I'm going to select that, click next, takes me to a new page. Let's say I want it to have, it's on every A day. I'll select that and click next. Then I have to input the time of the event. So let's just say it starts at 10 a.m. and it goes to 11 a.m. And make sure that the time is correct and that it actually finishes after it starts. It's a problem that occurs sometimes. And then I'm going to submit it. And you'll see the response has been recorded. If you want to add another recurring event, you can just click Submit Another Response. But it worked. And if you go back to your calendar, you will see, if you go to September when school starts, that the recurring event is in there every A day. And those are all A days, and the time is from 10 to 11. So thank you for watching this video.